Want to start making money online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down real, proven ways that you can start earning from the comfort of your home today. No complicated setups, no get-rich-quick scams, just honest methods that actually work in 2025. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to start your online income journey. Welcome back to the Money Map, where we help you grow your money and your freedom. I'm so glad you're here because today, I'm breaking down, step by step, how you can start making money online. No scams, no fluff, just real, actionable methods that actually work. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, this video is going to give you the roadmap you need. In today's video, we're diving deep into some of the most powerful ways you can start making money online in 2025. We'll cover freelancing, how you can turn your skills into real cash, affiliate marketing, earning commissions by promoting products you love, and YouTube, building a channel that can become a passive income machine. We'll also explore some of the best AI tools that are making it easier than ever to work smarter, not harder. And stay tuned until the end, because I'll reveal a secret bonus method that's fresh, exciting, and something you definitely won't want to miss. Deep dive into each method. Method number 1, what it is. So, what exactly is making money online? It's simply using the internet to create income, whether that's through offering services, selling products, creating content, or partnering with companies. The beauty of it is that you don't need a fancy degree or a big investment to get started. With just a laptop, an internet connection, and the right strategy, you can build real income streams from anywhere in the world. Method number 2, how it works. Here's how it works. You choose a method that matches your skills and interests, like freelancing, affiliate marketing, YouTube, or selling digital products. Then, you start offering value online by creating content, providing services, or promoting products. As people find your work or offers, you start earning either through direct payments, commissions, or ad revenue. The more consistent and high quality your work is, the more your online income grows over time. Method number 3, how to start. So, how do you start? First, pick one method that feels right for you. Maybe freelancing if you have a skill, affiliate marketing if you enjoy recommending products, or YouTube if you love creating videos. Then, set up the basics. Create an account on the right platform, build a simple online presence like a profile or a basic website, and start creating or offering value. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. The key is to take action and learn as you go. Every step forward brings you closer to your first dollar online. Method number 4, how much you can potentially earn. Now, let's talk about how much you can potentially earn. Honestly, it depends on the method you choose and the effort you put in. For example, freelancers can make anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. Affiliate marketers can earn commissions ranging from $50 to $5,000 or more per month depending on their audience size. YouTubers can start small but, over time, can make thousands per month through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise. The sky's the limit. With consistency, smart strategies, and patience, your online income can grow bigger than you ever imagined. One important tip: don't chase 10 different methods at once. It's easy to get overwhelmed and lose focus. Instead, master one method first, really understand it, work on it consistently, and start seeing results. Once you have success with one income stream, then you can move on to the next. Building strong foundations one step at a time is the real secret to long-term success online. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more proven ways to build your online income. I'm dropping new strategies every week to help you take control of your financial future, so don't miss out. Before you go, here's one final tip that can seriously level up your game. Use AI tools like DeepSeek or ChatGPT to speed up your workflow. Whether you're writing emails, planning content, or brainstorming product ideas, these tools can save you hours every day. And to make things even easier, now start using them today and start your future journey.